Hello everyone, this is an overview of RRB NTPC ASM Aptitude Test Railway Psycho Test. This video is for all those candidates who are preparing for Railway Psycho Test. The topics which we are going to discuss in this video are: what is a psycho test, test patterns, time limit, sample question with explanation from each session, how T-score and composite score is calculated. This video is powered by vvacademy. It is one of the best education institute in Vijayawada for RRB, SSC and banking. For more details, log on to www.vvacademy.com and to stay updated, like our Facebook page. What is a psycho test? Psychological tests are used to assess a variety of mental abilities and attributes including achievements, abilities, and personality. These tests are designed to measure the level of candidate intellectual functioning and cognitive ability. Railway conducts ASM aptitude tests to get the right sort of people to do the job. Candidates who do well on the test usually do well in their jobs. That's the main reason the railway conducts this psycho test. So coming to the test patterns, there are 5 different sessions in this. The first one is intelligence test. Secondly is selective attention test, spatial scanning test, information ordering test, personality test. Each test has separate time limit which will be advised to you during test sessions. You have to solve test items and mark your answer within the prescribed time. So time limits. Test 1, intelligence test. Instruction time would be 5 minutes, number of questions 30, time limit is 10 minutes and break time is 1 minute. Test number 2, selective attention test. Instruction time is 5 minutes, number of questions is 30, time limit is 8 minutes, break time is 1 minute. Test number 3, spatial scanning test. Instruction time is 5 minutes, number of questions is 40, time limit is 8 minutes, break time is 1 minute. Test 4, information ordering test. Instruction time 10 minutes, number of questions 25, time limit 10 minutes, break time 1 minute. To the last session, that is test 5, personality test. Instruction time is 5 minutes, number of questions is 35, time limit is 12 minutes. After this, you will be having the feedback section where you need to answer 12 statements in 6 minutes. It does not consist any marks, but it's only for the feedback purpose. We are going to discuss sample question with an explanation for each section. Test 1, intelligence test. In this test, each problem consists of 5 figures, 4 of which are similar in certain way. You are required to find out the one which is difficult from other 4. In the example, you can see that all 5 figures, out of that, number 4th one is different. That is, the outer circle is not touching the inner circle. So the odd one out is the 4th one. Test number 2, selective attention test. In this test, your task is to add odd numbers, for example 1, 3, 5, etc. and indicate which of the 5 options shows the correct sum. While counting, even numbers are to be ignored. So in this example, when we go through it, we can see that there are a lot of numbers consisting of even numbers and odd numbers. So make sure we are going to add only the odd numbers. The trick over here is to add all the numbers from left to right. For example, in this sum, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 3 is 13, 13 plus 3 is 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 17 plus 5 is 22, 22 plus 1 is 23. So the answer here is 23. The option D is the right answer. Test number 3, spatial scanning test. In this test, you have to find a shortest possible route between any 2 stations represented by alphabets in the shortest possible time in a given map. Dark line indicates street. The circles are barriers which cannot be crossed. Squares containing numbers represents houses. Number of the house passed by while finding the shortest route will be your answer. Generally people get confused a lot, but this is a very easiest one. All we need is some concentration. So I'll be explaining how this problem is to be solved. So let's try to solve this problem. In this problem, the first question which you asked is we have to find the shortest route from A to Z. So before starting this problem, we need to know where are these alphabets are. A B C is A to H is in this direction, and I to N in this. So when the question is A to Z, we need to find out where is A and where is Z. Then mostly we need to concentrate in this location itself, because the shortest path would be in this location. We can't be going in this direction. So what we need to do is we have to go all the way to C, and then C to 1, and from here to W, from W to Z. This is only the shortest path which can find. So the first building we are going to pass is from number 1. So our answer is 1. So this is the way we need to solve. Let us see one more. Second one is E to S. Where is E? First we need to figure out where is E and S. So first, then we need to concentrate mostly in this location only. We need to concentrate. So from E we start directly to this location. From this location we are going to 1, and from 1 we are going to S. So this is the direction. The first building we come across is number 5. So the answer for this is 5. So like this way we are going to solve this test number 4. Information ordering test. This is a test of ability to act according to given instruction. There are 25 questions in this test. To solve questions in this test, we have to refer table 1 and table 2. Each question consists of a test figure located at the start of the question. There is a series of process box which is shown as A, B and C and D. Each process box is divided into 3 different parts named as 1, 2, 3. Each level may or may not have X sign. Level having X sign means either addition or subtraction to be done as indicated in the table 1. Absence of X sign means nothing to be done at that level. This is also a very easy problem. All you need to do is addition and subtraction. So one of the example for test number 4. So for solving this test number 4, we always need to remember that we need to have the table 1 here, and we need to even have the table 1 here, and the table 2 also is very necessary to solve this problem. As we can see in this problem, our question is here. So the test figure which we need here, we need to locate this symbol in the table 2. In the table 2, this particular symbol is here, and the number for that is 6. So how then what all we need to do is we should be keep on adding these numbers, as you can see down here. So what are these x's? So this particular x here means plus 1, as you can see here, plus 1. And in the table 1 we need to see all these x's in the table 1. In the table 1 you can see the second is minus 2, and the third one is plus 3. So wherever it is an empty, we need to leave it. So how to solve this problem? So as we are starting with 6, we need to take to level 1. In the level 1 it is 6 plus 1. So we need to add 6 plus 1, 7, and then 7 minus 2 as we are coming to level 2, and next to level 3. So, that is 5 plus 3. So on like this we need to do every step over here, and then come to B. And if in B any level is empty, just need to leave it and directly solve. So we keep on doing it in level wise, then level 2, level 3 in B, then again we'll come to level C, level 1 in C, level 2 in C, and then as there is no X over here in C in level 3, we directly jump to level 1 of D. In level 1 of D, again we calculate x. As you can see, this level 1 is -3, and over here, and we'll come to the level 3 of D where it's +1. So when we calculate the total, the number which we get at the end is 3. So we need to locate this number 3 in the table 2. In the table 2, the symbol for the 3 is this one. So our answer over here would be 5. In this way, you need to solve this. Test number 5, it's personality test. In this test, some statements are given to find out your attitudes and interests. There are 3 possible answers to each statement. No particular answer is right or wrong. You have to select the alternative which is most appropriate for you. For example, I prefer people who are reserved, in between, make friends quickly. It's all about our personality, so it depends on you how you answer it. The candidate T-score is calculated by the formula below, where X is the candidate score in the test. Calculation of composite score. Composite T-score of a student having 5 tests in a battery is 300. The maximum T-score a candidate can obtain in 5 tests is 400. The composite score out of 30 is 22.5. As you can see the calculation below, out of 400 score, candidate scored is equal to 300. So in this way, the scores are calculated. Thanks for watching. All the best to all the candidates who are attempting this psycho test. For more information and videos, you can log on to www.vvacademy.com, and if you got any questions regarding this video or anything, you can like our Facebook page VV Academy and ask the questions over there. Please like, share and comment on this video. Thank you.